You know, it seems like yesterday and a lifetime ago, all at the same time. This evening last month, a series of deadly tornadoes swept through 5 states. Bowling Green was in that path. Tonight, our Hannah McDonald gives us a look at how the community is recovering physically and emotionally.
Even people of strong faith ask the question, why would God allow this?
What happened December 10th and December 11th in Kentucky and Tennessee may never make sense, but Bill Wade's job is to make sense of it all.
My faith tells me that God never intended for us to experience these things. And he created a perfect world, and we chose not to follow his ways, and so there's a consequence of that.
Wade is one of the chaplains for the Bowling Green Police Department. After the tornado, the job of a police officer became an even more challenging one.
And you want to find people that are missing, but you don't. You pick up trash looking for someone, but you hope they're not there, but you kind of hope they are. And so we were never designed to deal with those things. Our minds, our psyche, our eyes were never designed to see the kind of things that they see.
Chaplains have been by the side of first responders ever since the storm.
I've got a picture I cherish. We're just praying. We're praying for our community. We're praying for this family because now they have closure.
Faith and God is all that some people in Warren County still have. This community lost 17 people, and so many more lost their homes.
I've been here 11 years, and just to see the change and know that it's going to be a permanent change, and so that kind of weighs on you.
Yet as heavy as it all is, Wade says the fellowship, everywhere you look, is working.
In spite of all the tragic, in spite of all the loss, it's been a very beautiful thing to see the people respond and just how God moves, how our people love each other.
In Bowling Green, Hannah McDonald, News Channel 5.